let's work a little bit on ankle mobility. So ankle mobility is going to be one of the major limiters in our squat. If you start feeling like you're going to fall backwards, or if you start feeling like you're locked and you can't get any lower, a lot of times that's coming down here at the ankle. We have a couple muscles in our calf here, gastroc and soleus. Those muscles, if they're tight, can restrict our dorsiflexion, which is our ankle's ability to move up this way. So what we're gonna do, this one you're gonna need a friend for. I'm working with Steve here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take two hands, I'm gonna put some pressure down. He's gonna really feel that. There's gonna be a good deal of pressure through his calf there. What I'm gonna do is start to roll that in and out. I can move that up and down if I needed to find that spot. We already found that on him, so this is gonna work here. And once I roll that out, I'm gonna just sustain that pressure. And Steve, just start to move your ankle up and down as I hold that pressure there. It's gonna feel miserable. Look at Steve's face there, not great. But it's gonna feel a whole lot better after working through this for 2 minutes. Point those toes all the way down. Put them all the way down. Good, pull them all the way up, Steve. Good. And it shouldn't feel this painful to work through it. That's only if you have restrictions there. So we want to spend about 2 minutes working through that. Check the other side, work both sides on this one. Good, relax, shake it out. You always want to go ahead and retest it after. Make sure you can get lower down into that squat. Make sure you're onto the right area.